matshwenyeho re hapeletsa ke mathata re hapeletsa ke tlala oh rio ripo oh matshwenyeho ba le setseng rapelang fela rio ripo ta mathata salina fela ke thapelo rio ripo ta mathata salina rapelang fela ria sione oh matshwenyeho
baby na me canon radio station na me say o ma fa o dey able to task yesu sa no because yesu sa no what the board to na board say power the open as no what to na the amano media according to me no me who say so dey di agro ba ye be sa ba o me nua na ewu obi bi o sa fa ya ho na before that mama call Davis ho be said the can corruption e pesi kasem no Davis wa church o sa financial yi ntimo na what dey mo say na me nua ko bi e kan so called technocrats no obi akwa wia o hwe obi board ye kai board ye no mako sa na board ye no e wo say wo so be 17 and o two bank kakra kan ho sabi o emremo de wa trespass akofu obi ade nti emremo ye say e dey ndi ye de say ni pa na pa akotu 17 good years kwa braneti office o man laptop say ya and o fa the pen ya na just to add figures in there na just say no so cause me that pass all my was that techno class would be say what they say so apart what is that about aka ho no say o inflate figures ye chi no akam na say ni pakro ya na emra ne say best 5 3 4 5 years yes say emra ne say but sabio arefo mo fa cheme kwakwa ba ni bi o te say me ekoye bibia eye similar even less than sad in a course in Puna. Yere attempt say they see bantem. Work on them 15 years. Not technocrat so called what they was in I didn't know question I said go say Lego, say Keba, say UDS, whatever. Let the answer or not the answer. Chronobo in an exotic way. We just see 1 minute. Fashion constitution also. There's a problem. But now, everything I know, cry, no, you can't ever ho. Case. Just me more one. Many I call case. Now, yes, Puniti make us a lawyer, judge, we, person with the master. We dear on woman, will be a legend only accuse you anymore. I accuse you, Madame Fiança, to any pet, so with the master. Now, Sam Rapoya as a civil, may I send beer with the food from my house, was sent yes, the papa Pemmy and department, with the master. Can you just imagine? And she said, corruption so I see able to answer a better for a better brother. The constitution in one problem won't. I'm in soon. Sonny windows that be and she said, men are chimia. Me na chi me ti me na chi me de ya group me na de wo sa no na ba de chi pani bia o ti mi kura window we mu ogro window we ti constitution no so eno na ma ye bo form ma corruption that's it na mra kura ye be ka me akwa ye de no ba be tia to that's pass all de no be wurem ye constitution kura ni ye democracy kura ye yo and that's why market am because constitution if be se mo kwache no constitution they say constitution for baby is oh that be munya no ansa hwe de AC or parliament is here ye nya nim say we are member of parliament as members of parliament we are from lawmakers they make law for we the citizens and you see leadership by example munya some dey we breaka ma me call Davis wo na munya Davis the other no corruption in general. What the secretary for Mama Pers now we now mo keke figures and now we inflate figures near there near set horse wete e brother chimo no mo keke na windows so be amamo it mean corruption in general abai say na ye papa bishop in fact most reverend Philip Nami or kase wono de ohwemu pa de abai the way a man for high expectation to a banner, yes, so a bear body a man for ABC beer, yes, you pass on my discade. a ekwan bi ase brand no omunya dwumene omu na e brief wo ko see breeze pa no omu e je from e bo omu yi kama minua ma me hwe also view on that tackling corruption
it has been brave when you get your team. In fact, some of us are going a national assignment.
Exactly.
A discussion.
I say with the program we see any politics with you
irrespective of where you are coming from.
Exactly.
And for who be, who to make us say, and for who be, so your political party and our political party. No, dear, be originally as a good citizen. Our man, Benyaka say, we should not just
be spectators, but we should rather be citizens.
Correct. Now, responsible citizens, you have a responsible assignment. Now, assignment be corruption. You pay pinam make say corruption here. Me who corruption says see an ababa say value say can system no corruption
fashionable.
Yashisha natadia ma baba be very attractive.
Okay.
Baba be normalize and part of our human life because we do nine one step here corruption will every 1 minute be our corruption will move. We may have been more be can be there's a sector here. Yeah, sorry then my
Moscow ho temple.
Just a beer. Uncle beer can to me enya comfort of addressing corruption or one casano.
It's just the whole
thing the thing open you can say it no oka corruption who say na oka off but ni na echi near most reverend akano wakani ye and what say ya ko to do ni sere ni na ba se bia wo baby ya no kreso ye ba ko pe say ye ti enim a fighting corruption irrespective of government our and a party our ban. We must avail ourselves and give leadership that challenge to address it and address it well. And then go back say kataso momwaso issues be na also mukakra said you I said you and you be go say so no about right say ya so sana issue number 80 on the broader perspective no on my penny at the presidency and the office where actualizing or share anya main na so one say that CEO be also or say yes okay we are also cleaning the system we are protecting the public purse you look to address all these issues at every level will be abeka so be protected there is no individual and then say who be say anti-corruption that one. Me for corruption, I say me for corruption. But I just say me for corruption. But before you realize, na office na employee. Someone said that you know corruption here can we must hold the bull by the horn. Say nipa no eye agem na entwamra kwanso a. Ye woman ni say the sanctions which has been stipulated to be addressed, you should be given the fellow. They share on my outdoor they are in the fight of corruption. Say no corruption there. Me say 1 minute be a woman be aso baby be a. Me kan da ya ware mu nyina wo ho. Ku mu nyina corruption wo. Enti no ye kan ni say e was say one where they were falling victim in that practices. Okay. We must look at addressing their issues without any what your friend say without any sense of humor because corruption say no ma penny did that before kan what's adam abrusu na dia adam abrusu no sabre na babetu ase it is o pass over babetu ase dia na wo so ma ho ye den din na o kitabana o di boni yiyi enye sa ko ye se wo fase bi afra mi say no kan windows na doors it will fa a window or another exit or the building or the escape the nisa na yina ya samba zero view na to me fight again say nipa no aye ne entrene nya chale no mercy let's call the person before the law ya address it ama wodo I wo no mo fight am say na they are doing well na ye follow Rwanda no mu Malaysia no mu e bi ehwe na ye compare sa crofo nya dia our contemporaries e wa mabuo mu na ade enti no at the end of the day what is happening there we ye na nkoyi a you are resigning or you are what being prosecuted straight away enya kata so mamu aso bi obeni sakata so mamu aso no ene amayin to me fight corruption and aba be kan yasetena me or dey be ameka corruption fight there going through my spectacles we say it needs to be addressed with hard what
Yes.
issues when ni nye dey want to me address corruption so usro so want to me address because of our seats because of our positions in the opinion for what say address corruption matter they are not able to address because obi na endorse na wa bem obi na push you na wa bem it is a nipa no for victim me na my financial na say a wo IGP wo BNI ho what you say when ya position we acclamation say ya man nyina no me ka ho bia at the end of the day na me ho akere me wo behwe me say ya fa me ko open guess what you say put to me enye de enhwe me enti sa favoritism no and the nepotism na system no mu and ama corruption no enye de yentumi nto ahye but say no fi ho no na ye ko say ya address corruption ni pa ye ABCD enti yem fa no ko twim na entwi na so corruption will be something and it can
be a thing of the past.
Exactly.
Good.
And yes, I am call mobile now. They automatically doctrinated. Yeah, generation has been doctrinated.
Exactly.
Through so many things, but technical level now. Oh yeah, yes, if I wait to so now, if I wait to so office and refuse and wait to so now, me should be at any position. I will be expecting say who should wait to be me so. Invariably, no, I don't know a fire. What I say, a fire. But say a bit to me, Gina. Say individuals and as a leadership, bit to me, Gina. Nay, to me, all people bad. Their actions, they are sanction woman. Corruption will be thing of the past. Will be also.
But I say, all right. I for somebody Davis and Becky Davis and I also attending Kano on the submission on the how to tackle corruption, of course. Also, edited the ever can in the Absiba could be at the end of honor. Now, maybe so Emma said, former US President Etu Anamoba Hybran or Chakunam Barack Obama. Obama was Africa. What wouldn't be face on one Papa outside African Kenya. Now, Obama was Africa. It was but the systems are not working. Systems no can be in the Okama say my enka. Oko your religious session. Ewo ho. Just ene adia okwabrane just. Nipa no so
of which means meet me.
Yeah.
Me baba no, me ba me try the tea. Meet me yet. Me talk. The politician back no say me for gold abi ye ofie nyina amawa. But you have to believe me.
I say no.
Yes.
I say no.
Some people ban amene say be omo no mo ti omo tutu nema ah nema ku me ni one man. You cannot take it away from them. Nema ku me ni one man. You cannot take it away from them. They are doing it. But Sakoba say na komia be ka chen say me talk fuel issue Ghana you took fuel wa ohen nti kroben na Libya you to go to Libya you a friend saying fuel no Libya for the fuel the develop your cro
as desert
yes Gaddafi na that Roma the then time no fuel can not come for no month a security sa no one mo de e hwem ko nene Ghana Nyankopon da Roma yenya resource bia wa habi Nyankopon wanya bone o
David
Nyankopon wanya fuso wanya ya bro no de ba Gold Coast enwura forest gold diamond and chain baby IOP but see what we are going through we are suffering and papa mo ampa say you too fuel wa ha you too wa ha in na yin ko for time no discover it you too wa ha no ma say you we first fuel say ma da bia increment e affect yen individual e affect yen me by enaka transportation attention this from East region to Accra attention this 10 cities I can't no meet me fan ko ko bi ni yes but what I increase day in day out you increase no be no ka say be the next 1 month be any no e be say increase
possible
and likely say be say increase fuel minya na akomia some radio we is a political leader on some radio na nkasa no kan ye no Ghana for ye say anya he de on some radio.
All right, I said me can't tell no way is Agri TV show, see the CTEC show, and as I'm pending for about ya dwene baako e won sem bi ho no wo so ultimate comment suggestion question we de nyina ba e be gina jimre ne de akenkan kama e we de amount wetime e de won sem no akuche WhatsApp so 02444 55142 02444 we are say afana nyina ba bia wo bia obetime e de akuche e de aba sabe mama ko Davis ono so fa submission kakra emre no ayebe na fe yenye clamas we Davis asam no na da no o sambre de minim say they say our political talk there minim say our educational talk nso ba bi dia na ja yenkwe
in fact education we be say education pa education no we be say in fact when you say we say you to me transit we discuss asem to the latter
exactly certainly
asem we can take it for a ride ya kan say dia corrupt talk so okay jam say political talk so therefore you are just taking the populace for a rider that's where the corruption priest okonom na ehia
okay
it wa ka jam say obema me fanti dokuna bi na fe bedru honuma wa mame fanti dokuna haban dokuna amba me yede amba bedru a automatically na che say we bia me and onuso baba be another political platform speaker our leadership no taking advantage of ababa be normalized in our political arena and it is running down music ade no taking him by storm and surprise etinu nipa no kan as Nana Akufo-Addo okay obenikashie or your role model to some of us
exactly
me trans na me follow Nana Akufo-Addo
say Nana Akufo-Addo oba system
political makasa there's a whole lot of communication skills over there over tap every opinion it is Nana Akufo-Addo hate makasa wa hate below bet in fact wa hate below bet and some of us no I follow no ne nimjie ne status our political arena no no your role model one way the other no disappointed some of us, someone like you are disappointing me.
Okay.
Because we can't go in this direction in connection to national development. Political talk how? Into be no about political talk. Nor in yet. As the condition at stake in you can start way to win favor from what populist here. Now you're going in this direction here. Now you only have to chacha no mudi yamba to sa iti yempeni for yesramu. It's hard timer sanyama we need to look at it so that it doesn't go a long way to what affect us negatively.
Medasi.
Iti no penny kakra meka afa
hono. Damisha.
On train sign. Na yenso a yewo gidi woni mu no yenkoso
busian low model
yenkoso a enya sa gidi woni mu no very good on to an nyuma pa no so o ye
Medasi. Nyame enshraw Queen Davis enso na de ne de e by sabre de ebra no ayebe na empanifo bed de na we can say we should use one stone to kill two birds. We offer wo munya ne baby a nanso eja wo ho do nti no ye mfa sa offer no enso emma omo Samre ma menko fortunately enough for us no eku a ye friend no Noble Friends of Kingsley Ajima ye twa de ase Infoka ye papa Chebo Akodua na ye public relation officer Emma Said Mekui papa wo de woni yen yen watire no e na di nkuta ho efrikuo no wo di frikuo na de abre yen na de bi nsu fri ha na de ama ekuo no as PRO me pa cho Infoka chemu kakra send it here.
Okay, quickly no me that's be you can Infoka you know phone Noble Friends of Kingsley
Ajima.
You know Kingsley Ajima.
Why not?
Registrar of Scholarship Secretariat. Na unia abante eba secretariat ho no. Enema akoso no. You know Ghana for you know yini. Mapunu a enya mfaso mo mukosua adwuma mukosua ade e wo monone ko omo a internally omo nya scholarship co school so omo so ko me your friend is saying witness witness meaning so witness
oh okay
enya mfaso
okay now more or less beneficiaries
yes
very
beneficiaries
good okay
na adweno eba say me am kofa bai
oh okay
adweno bai say I don't see any oye
do fu ya panso na
piano I didn't know yentimi enke kan nipa nyina mu na yen supporting and dwumadi anya apart from a friend is scholarship no enema kese a wo ye no me mu oka onye minister onye MP
oh yeah
na the branch any ye
anu edin
wo so a politician ba me hu politician na me suro ni mu sada
hey Kingsley whether I don't know no I'm not judging him but
yes.
When you see this guy
okay. Politician so nyame sada
wow
na Onyankopon de Kingsley ache Ghana
oh okay
so ni mu ye na okuta ambition
okay
enti onipa owo ayemuye tema ene ahofama ne ahobrase ye ma nipa no ese nyina ye je
no ne
so ni mu
very good
na in fact me say me troni na kan na say me de me ho hye party mu enanso ni ye wo branch ni mu no me yi sai ko no ni ye wo ni mu no enu na mama ni aka say me support branch no me muni nya no keka mom ye support no na ni so de hu mam branch ni person di MP I want to person so go kwa South constituency then na yen so ye nya na so fa so ya be ti na ya kwa no enti mo diaspora omo a mo wo fie
okay
Ghana for anya scholarship nyina and that gentleman no ye mebwa no
very good
na ni so de hu ni mrem na ba mu aminim say on da what say twen
ya fa no so
nam so
oh wonderful
e de ko hu nkwa enti papa menua abrantie no de oye no ayarefo nyamfaso me asa sabi no ka say we do say nsawam na say message say obi fufuro apa ode ne yare ho ese baba sika otua no 30,000 50,000 you know 60,000.
Just anya bayra abrewa juofu ni bia.
Eno achi. Ubehwe what pass out. Pass out so on. Kingsley Maths and Science quiz.
Oh, okay.
What pass out ho. 75 schools. Wow. Now we are quiz we. Winning team no omo kwabuchi.
Hey,
yes.
Na me nua me ba obeto as wo na me eniema say na mo say na yan media no so pop. This is the time I see we man more publicity.
Yes.
Na eto da na the attention man crofo bi.
Until this time no. I say engage miniano.
Until and mu ye bi no ma cry ya cry baba.
We are going to engage. Ya pesa ka for nyina hu adwuma pa.
Okay.
Kingsley Adjuman. Oh yeah.
This is wonderful.
Yes.
Seriously.
Na eko no enye nkwala na wo mu. In fact, me na kofa bae.
Kofa
bae. Wo hwempanimfo e wo mu a. Recent events the recent the former prisons director.
Oh, immediate past. Oh, you don't mean it.
Ah. No, no, patron.
Wonderful.
Any package. Simply focus. I bang open for people. Say. And I am patron. Ah, more boy.
Many. That means I have been palm. Munya. That's it.
Until you made man say.
Okay.
I brought you in here. Okay. You pass a friend or so. You know potentials. Until. That may be. So the Akase Pacific Crow, when you see one. Now you're near my ye, and say, Yabba, I mean, Chima, and your son for so good. They are more than Chima abro. That's your kids that my one more or say, or then or vow say, or more Chima abro into this school. Education, every brand for them. Well, apart from a year crown, yes, I spelling challenge.
Oh, okay.
Until Secretary, my for 1 minute.
Not Yo, Minia, that is where the Yasimi Kobe man cabin so there was no Okahubi. And now I have financial advice idea. Then also am I secretary at the same time. It did the money at your one. Much also I'm moving by TAB. Baby. No,
that's a woman when you're number I see review. If you so much your opinion, Cassie and Intia. Sakuwi Yenina Yedi and SU was honorable Kingsley. Very well. In fact, the Juma son dear. You can say across the breadth of human life. Wow. Then you say political wing one or shit. Oh, okay. Or shit Nipa Asitrem. Sorry, and Castle or shit. Or share additional musuyi because on the office no there is to promote education. Oh, I see. And impact what knowledge into the lives of the next generation.
That is no wonder class at the Koto Secretariat.
Exactly. Oh, it is very fantastic. It do go secretariat to a Juma or your who is it? Wama additional so far as I have no is concerned in the Ayakono. Just own person of okay. So people from Robert Chasunia, Addiana, wow, Ebeboa. Na Sonia Nimjana, Yakinan, Ubetu Mia, Aye, Kakra, Mecca, Ashe, a month for addresses, so say, the education sector now what. In fact, yes, education is what? The key. The key is to get the entry to every room. Exactly. It's when you are not just say you perish. Send a trust them the kind. Lack of knowledge, my people will perish. And honorable Kingsley Adjuman don't want that thing to happen to any Ghanaian citizen. Okay. Especially the constituency of Fimu, Wakwasa. On Pese, a lack of knowledge in what trust them. Kuran Swaka, on Pese, Yamu be a bad victim of that. Now, in saying, dear Koso, Mama Aquina, Misuku, the Siakwa RC. Among the 75 schools, no more Kingsley Maths and Science quiz. Yamiadumyana. Oh, you're winning the ultimate prize. I see. And in fact, Samu Wahanuma, a young Wawabi at the moment, say a teacher for coaches and your school for our Mudom who see what say on Beshian. In fact, you share the average percentage now I elevating now. Oh, okay. Young woman, science. One of the days they used to do 14 in 30. Some of them are doing 80 plus 190. Not just a percentage wise in that regards. Very well. Spelling so ever. A some true challenge. Am I move Frankie to I said they'll be what used to reading. They'll be fluent. you look at it say vocabularies no so be there ebe koso
very good
na eba ne engagement nkola will get what confidence ni esa to class or the sports esa ba be into the senior high schools.
Oh, okay.
One, because we also need to what nurture that level. Now the sports arena, the sports also bring unity.
Oh, okay.
Now so you prepare nkola into also enam kwan so eba nyama bebre and
very well very well
for one foka any fearful and obi biara embe na ye bedimo na nyina yemfa sai ni so ade hu na openyina hwe ni say come 2024-25 the MPC pa obeso odi no odi bring all the activities ama na cut down ye ye disa akonya no be den ebe man it's any stakeholder to promote this ambition to be materialized onye na adwin so be den odi no hu beji na bibia akọ
very well
27 bi na chiko no
esa ho moda moto en safra beba mate
na chiko ni je beto en safra
ati ya beba na me ensamo well ahefo the daye eso ya ese NPT mini anomi efi all the way from Eastern region na womo ebesa ye ene we studios ha ene ne womo etwe enkomo na answer kra na me de masem no ne dwumade nyina beba awie no in fact mama nyina sa akwanya wesu na memfase de mu oduo pa enko ema yewura Kingsley Agyeman papa we are registrar was scholarship secretariat wo enkraha sei papa wo bo homodin why are there pa ye say do ofu duapa na ye nso epiano and it is Tech TV ye nso ye fam de ye be ye say ye nso kakra ye nso be piano in publicity kakra say ya na ene be na ko nti nyame onkoso nchira wo woma onimdie no san to nsem so financially natimi eboa womo so ebehia more especially those in your constituency na womo so entimi enya emfaso no omamu ni nyina so entimi enya mfaso bia bia wo bia samde won kra ha no Honorable Kingsley Agyeman nyame enshaw afi ambition say won so that bia ba be MP no eno de and I don't want to be a prophet of doom, but I prophesy to you say ubinya enti koswara koso na ene na sintimi koyi efama enti ene yadi jumadi no AC mame na menua no so e ba studio sa ene all the way from Eastern region omo e ba e Chinebu a kodua eye PRO Emma Infoka Noble Friends of Kingsley Agyeman na sem ene eguso a ye kan ono a ene kofare bai na chese wi ase e woni pa bia iti mu no adwena boma se bill ebi so de corruption sam kwa no mo didi na ye nue kofare ba kofa ba ne ababa yekuo kese ama ene so awo ma bebira wo mo so ehwe eboa wo mo ewo sa wo mo peso ado so no odukro ya esa ye minim na triba